do you create a product? Right? So that is about how a business works. Then
How are loss and how are profit in business?
okay, you learned about profit and loss. Okay, you learned about profit and loss. Okay,
We have to take care of our customers.
okay. So customer preference and customers' choices should be given priority, right? If your customers are not happy with your product or not happy with how your business is working, then they will not buy things from you.
Ma'am,
Yes?
how to sell product?
Okay, you learned about, let's say, marketing. How to sell a product to someone. Marketing or Nishi's group used one word, publicity. Right? So, fine, advertising about your product, marketing, what else?
We had learned how to buy it.
Okay, fine. As a customer, you understood how you could bargain, how you could ask for discounts.
How to do business in teamwork and how to use business strategy.
Okay, so teamwork, and here I can write business strategy. Okay,
What is strategy?
strategy meaning, if I layman terms, trick. Okay, કઈ રીતે બિઝનેસ ઇફેક્ટિવલી કરાય, તમારો એવો પ્લાન શું છે, એવી સ્ટ્રેટેજી શું છે, પ્લાન શું છે, રાઈટ? Yeah, what have you learned from this activity?
How to make things.
How to, okay, fine. I'll not say manufacturing, but how to make something by yourself. But I can call it DIY because here it was mostly you doing some crafts activity. So DIY is okay, yes?
How much money we have to give back?
Okay, so how do you do a transaction, right? Transaction is not only useful in business, but it is useful in your everyday life. હમણાં મમ્મી તમને કંઈક બારે લેવા મોકલે, then you know that if I'm giving this much rupees, then I will get this much back, right? If you don't know about this, તો શું થશે? So let's say a milk packet costs, let's say 35 rupees, okay? And I have given a 50 rupee note. Now if I don't wait for the change, and when I'm going down, I just suffered a loss of 15 rupees.
મેમ એવું ક્યારે થાય?
But it shouldn't, of course, it doesn't happen with anyone. બધા હવે, of course, એટલા wise છે. So this is something very minute that you take care of. Because some people are such that they take advantage. अगर let's say मैं વધારે રૂપિયા આપી દીધા હોય and let's say I didn't take the change or they have given me the wrong change and if I walk away, so એ લોકો કદાચ advantage એ લઈ લે, right? Because it's profitable for them. Yeah? So you have to be careful about doing your transactions properly.
How to explain if customer says us.
Okay, yeah, okay, that comes in marketing. Yeah, so you have to, as I said, you have to be sophisticated enough, right? The customer, apart from looking at your product, apart from seeing the utility of your product, utility એટલે how useful it is and how much satisfaction you get from the product. Okay, apart from that, they will also look at who the business owner is or the person who's selling the item to me, how they are talking to me, or if I can trust on them. Everything operates on trust, whether it is a business, whether it's a job. Yeah, so customers will also look at how you are presenting the product.
How to explain them politely.
Yeah, so being polite and sophisticated, right? Sophistication plus politeness. Okay, something else? Yeah.
How to calculate.
Okay, okay, fine. Calculation of your cost price, okay? Your CP I'm writing. So mostly I observed that you weren't very good with calculating the cost price. Okay, 5 rupees and 10 rupees. You need to know your cost price very well. After you know that, you can decide your selling price. Because it might also happen that my cost price મારી બહુ ઓછી ગણી હોય તો I might suffer a loss. You understand that? Let's say I created the product for 20 rupees. Then let's say I estimated કે I have created it for 15 જ્યારે કે actually મેં 20 માં બનાવી છે અને હવે મને થાય કે ઓકે 15 માંથી હું 5 રૂપીસ પ્રોફિટ અર્ન કરીને 20 એ વેચીશ બટ ખરેખર I have made it at 20 and I am selling it at 20. So here it's your mistake that you are not calculating your own cost price properly. Right? When you are manufacturing, this is on a very large scale plus it is not this simple. You need to know કે raw materials આ use થાય છે કેટલી ક્વોન્ટિટીમાં યુઝ થાય છે. Right? This is my own cost price and you need to be very clear about the two. Cost price, selling price. Yes? What else? Anything else that you learned from this? No, you didn't learn much from this. You didn't? Who said no?
Diya.
You wanna say something? Okay, fine. Anyone else? Okay, fine. I just wanna know તમને કયું પ્રોડક્ટ સૌથી વધારે ગમ્યું?
Cat.
Yeah, so this team wins, of course, because everyone likes the product, right? Including me who likes the product. Just 2 minutes. Including me who liked the product. Why did you like it? Because it was innovative. Because it was something different. Envelopes, they are not bad. Even I appreciate those products also. Canvas, anything that you guys have made, envelopes and everything, or the pins. Everything is fine. Everything was good enough. But આવું મેં જોયું નથી ક્યારે. Yeah, I have not actually seen. And of course, you don't use paper caps because they tear very easily, right? So you don't use them. But I have not seen anyone create something like that. So it was a good idea. And if I talk about the explanation part, then this team will win because Nishi and group will win. Because I found that એ લોકોનું જે 61 રૂપીસનું જે explanation હતું that was fine and the entire explanation was up to the mark, right? So product wise it's not about being demotivated or disheartened. બધાના products સારા હતા and now I would want you to use those products. Now become the customer, start using those products. Yes, if you want you can exchange those products in class. You're not exchanging it for money, right? You can say that okay, you give me, their group can say that okay, give me one cap, I'll give you one of my canvas paintings, or you can exchange it with someone who has an envelope, right? You can exchange your products among the class. You can use it and you can see the durability, કેટલી વાર સુધી product ચાલે છે, right? Then you can give feedback, કેટલી વાર સુધી આ product ચાલ્યું, આ product વાપરવામાં મને આ difficulty આવી, right? Or this tore very easily, or it got wet, right? Paper જ્યારે wet થશે ત્યારે પણ એવું થશે. Plus some of the other weakness that you find in the product, that is what you can tell them. એટલે કે એ લોકો improvised product બનાવી શકે, right? You will always observe કે કોઈથી 10 વર્ષ પહેલાનું એક ચોકલેટનું રેપર જોવો ને અત્યારે ચોકલેટનું રેપર જોવો, it would have changed. Any kind of packaging you see, packaged foods, બધા ફરી ગયા છે. Why? Because they know કે અત્યારનું જે છે એમાં ઘણા બધા changes કરવામાં આવ્યા છે, right? And that has gone through many modifications. Why? Because there were weaknesses and there will be weaknesses with all your products. So you will exchange, you will use the products and you will give feedback. Okay?
Ma'am, like